Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to reduce ping on Roblox. So guys, if you want to reduce ping on Roblox, first of all you have to make sure that your internet connection is fine. It means you are getting right amount of internet. Check whether is there any problem with your internet connection, and you can reconnect. You can reconnect your Wi-Fi, or you can reset your router. So after all these things, once you are done, so mainly the high ping usually happens due to the internet connection problem. So guys, one more thing you can do that is also guys you can if you really want to improve your ping, then close unnecessary application and program to free up system resources for the Roblox. And also you can, if you have a wireless connection, you can use wired connection to minimize interference or and latency. And the last and not the least thing you can do is check your device for software update and make sure you have the latest version. Sometime update problem might cause this error or cause the high ping. So you have to check. You can open settings and go to and Windows Update and check whether you are up to date or not. Also, you can update your Roblox app if you haven't. And yeah, these are things you can try out to reduce ping on Roblox. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.